A table is a way to visually represent information to help the reader retain the information presented. Tables are usually presented in a standard format. The reason for a standard format is it makes reading tables easier because the reader has probably read a similar table before. So, and to comply with a standard format, a table is made up of vertical columns and horizontal rows. These vertical columns and horizontal rows combine to form cells. So you can think of it looking something like this, where you have these vertical columns and horizontal rows, and then this right here would be a cell, and this would be defined by the row number and the column number. So this would be column 2, row 2, and this over here would be column 2, row 4, and that's how the cell would be defined. And then a table is generally going to have some kind of title that helps the reader quickly identify what the table is going to be about. So it could be something like price of milk compared to demand, or average income for various education levels. If the title of the table was average income for various education levels, then the rows might be labeled education level and the columns might be labeled average income. And that would help determine what goes in the cells. So titles are very important because it helps the reader quickly identify what the table is about and determine whether or not they want to read it. But the important thing to remember about tables is that they always have a standard format of vertical columns and horizontal rows, which make cells. And the standard format makes tables easy to read and understand.